Welcome to the world-famous island of gardens, nestled in the heart of Mackinac Island. Today, we'll explore how to transform this stunning space into a breathtaking oasis using an array of decorative components. First up, let's enhance the charm with some beautiful arbors. Strategically placed throughout the garden, these wooden structures create elegant entryways and offer a sense of enchantment as you stroll along the pathways. Next, we have pergolas, providing both shade and style. Adorned with climbing plants, these structures add vertical interest and a touch of romance to any corner of the garden. Now, imagine a tranquil retreat within the garden. That's what gazebos offer. Perfect for relaxation or intimate gatherings, these structures provide a focal point while blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. To guide visitors through this magical landscape, we incorporate winding pathways. Lined with lush greenery and accented with delicate lanterns, these pathways invite exploration and create a sense of wonder. Spanning over serene ponds and babbling streams, bridges add a touch of whimsy and connect different areas of the garden. Their arching design complements the landscape, creating a harmonious flow. Trellises serve as versatile elements, offering support for climbing plants and adding vertical interest to walls or fences. With their intricate patterns, they bring a sense of elegance and charm to the garden. No garden is complete without the soothing sound of water. Fountains not only provide a focal point but also create a sense of serenity and relaxation, making them perfect for quiet reflection areas. The strategic placement of benches allows visitors to pause, take in the beauty of their surroundings, and immerse themselves in the tranquil atmosphere of the garden. Adding a touch of artistry and grace, statues punctuate the landscape, evoking a sense of wonder and adding a touch of history and culture to the garden. A shimmering pond becomes the centerpiece of the garden, offering a serene oasis for aquatic life and a reflective surface that mirrors the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Crafted from natural stone, these walls not only define the space but also add texture and depth to the garden. They serve as a backdrop for cascading vines and create secluded alcoves for quiet contemplation. Topiaries add a playful touch to the garden, sculpted into whimsical shapes and forms. Whether it's animals or geometric designs, they add visual interest and a sense of whimsy to the landscape. Passing through ornamental gates, visitors are transported into a world of beauty and tranquility. These intricate structures welcome guests with elegance and grace, setting the tone for their journey through the garden. Sculptures dotted throughout the garden add a touch of sophistication and artistic flair. Whether classical or contemporary in design, they become focal points that spark conversation and intrigue. Vibrant flower beds burst with color and fragrance, creating a sensory delight for visitors. From delicate blooms to lush foliage, these beds showcase nature's beauty in all its splendor. Neatly trimmed hedges provide structure and definition to the garden, creating formal boundaries and adding a sense of order to the landscape. As the sun sets, lanterns come to life, casting a warm glow that illuminates the garden pathways and adds a touch of magic to the evening ambience. Within the garden, an arboretum becomes a sanctuary for a diverse collection of trees and shrubs. Visitors can wander among towering specimens, learning about the rich tapestry of plant life that thrives in this unique environment. From babbling brooks to cascading waterfalls, water features add movement and vitality to the garden, creating a sense of harmony and balance that enhances the overall aesthetic. Finally, garden archways beckon visitors to explore beyond, offering glimpses of hidden treasures and inviting them to embark on a journey of discovery through this enchanting landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world-famous island of gardens. We hope you feel inspired to create your own oasis of beauty and tranquility. Until next time, happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.